All right, guys, crude oil trader here. Happy Monday to everyone. Wanted to take you through a trade I took this morning, and basically, I'm going to look at it right here. What happened is right on the open, we had a decent sell-off, created some nice momentum to the downside. Got in around the 35s, had some follow through to about 93. I was looking for a continuation past the support level down through here, but just with this market we've been in, there's just not enough momentum to carry this thing through. So according to my trade strategy, once I'm 40 ticks in the money, I take a break even on it, and that's exactly what I did. So this thing just hung around here, and it looked like it was going to try to push through and sell off through this support area, and it never did. Reverse back up. Now we're sitting at the 44s, and it's just doing its rotation through the volume. I probably see this thing coming around the 48s, going back down to the 30s or so, and then maybe trying to rotate back up into this area. It's just another one of these range-bound days. So it's been a pretty rough month for momentum, and that's an understatement. And today, I mean, I look at a scratch trade as a success in a way because it wasn't a losing trade. So I was able to trade. I'm still going to be able to trade tomorrow. Took a break even on it, and just watching things now. It's probably it for today, but Obama's speaking at 10:15 Central, about 15-20 minutes, so that might have some effect on the markets. But looking at the S&Ps, not a whole lot going on there. They did overnight rallied up to the 1471 area, which is exactly where we were on the 10th, and essentially sold it off about 10 handles, which is pretty solid. And you can see that 10 handle rule would have worked today. You sell 10 handles, you buy it on the 10 handle sell off. You could have took like 2.5, 3 points there. So that's not horrible. It's not horrible action for the S&Ps. I'm wondering how I haven't really looked at the Nasdaq too much. Nasdaq, same story. I know Apple did push under 500 this morning, so that might have been part of that. And then I also look at gold. Gold rallied early and then sold off later in the morning, and it's back up into its high volume area again. So that's what I have for you so far today. Anything interesting happens later on, I'll get back on, but my feeling is this is probably it for the day. But I will be watching things and seeing what happens, and I'll catch up with you guys if I see anything good.